Hello, it's nice to be here. Today, I will share you how we have both AI and voice interaction into our lottery self-service terminals, helping players interact more naturally just by speaking. Let's start with a quick look at Intralot and what my team does. Our team focuses on lottery and sportsbook solutions for retailer terminals. Specifically, we develop software for self-service terminals like DreamTouch or GameStation, like the one you see here, which let players play draw and fast play games, sports betting, and even buy physical scratch tickets. Our goal is to make these terminals easy to use and enjoyable for every player. Even with an intuitive interface, new or casual players can feel lost in the menus. Reading instructions for every game can be tedious or confusing. On top of that, while terminals include an accessibility mode for users with special needs, it can sometimes be cumbersome or limited. Our goal wasn't to replace the existing interface, but to augment it. The AI assistant helps guide all the players and in some cases can replace parts of the accessibility mode, making the experience smoother, faster, and more inclusive. We asked ourselves, what if players could just talk to the terminal and get help instantly? The AI assistant complements the existing interface. It can explain games on the fly, answer on questions, and guide players step by step. No need to scroll or reading boring rules. New users get help, accessibility features are improved, and experienced players can continue using the screens they already know. The AI assistant listens to what the player says and understands their intent, whether it's playing a game, checking on results, or browsing options. It then acts immediately, navigating to the right game and performing the requested actions. Overall, it guides players smoothly through every interaction, complementing the existing screens and making the experience feel natural and effortless. Now that you have a brief summary of the general concept, let's see it in action with a quick demo view. You will see how natural the conversation can be and how the terminal responds instantly.
How many boards would you like to play? And do you want to select your numbers or use a quick pick?
A quick pick and one. I don't know. Maybe you listen it through here, but there are some subtitles.
Great! I've added one quick pick Powerball board to your cart. Let me know if you're ready to check out or want to play another game.
Check out. So the user speaks to the AI assistant and the AI assistant responds. Notice how it understands the player immediately, asks clarifying questions if needed, and guides the user step by step. So here is the pipeline. User speaks to the terminal, speech is converted to text, AI model analyzes it to understand the player intent based on the instructions given and the list of available actions called tools. If the response of the AI is to call a tool function, then this function is executed to the terminal, and the response of this command is given back to the AI model again, and the same loop until no tool is called. If the model responded with a simple text phrase, then it is converted to a speech using the AI model that suits for that purpose. Finally, the audio is played to the terminal in order to be listened from the user. So, let's see an example. User says, play a parable. Terminal takes that input and converts it to text. AI model analyzes it and responds. Do you want a quick play? This text is converted to audio. It is given back to the terminal and user as well. User responds again, yes. Terminal takes that input and converts it to text. AI model analyzes it and responds with the function play parable. We run the play command, and backend replies that Powerball has been successfully played. AI model analyzes that response again and outputs the text, "Thank you for playing." And that text is returned to the user as speech again. So that's how the interaction loop works. But why this matter for players? Let's talk about the impact. Players will spend less time navigating menus and more time enjoying their games. The AI guidance will help reduce mistakes and confusion for new users, and it will enhance the accessibility experience for those who need it. Overall, we expect terminals to feel smarter and more user-friendly, creating a positive impression even before full deployment. For the next phase, we are exploring two major directions. Up to now, we have been using external large language models like OpenAI's GPT, mainly for experimentation and rapid prototyping. However, our next step is to develop our own in-house LLM, specifically trained for our domain, lottery, gaming, and self-service interactions. Then, RAG pipelines with the use of vector databases, so the assistant can use real-time information from our system and game databases, not just its pre-trained knowledge. That means more accurate answers about jackpots, draws, or upcoming events. So that was it. For any information, you can find us on the Intralot booth. Thank you very much.